Are you overwhelmed by managing your subscription business? Meet Subily, the all-in-one platform designed to simplify your subscription-first journey. Subily helps brands win and outshine their competitors. Enjoy seamless management of subscription products, a custom checkout experience, and powerful logistics tools. Join Alex Fleck, founder of Timepiece Monthly, who praises Subily for unmatched customer service and capability. With 100+ features, you can easily craft the website your business deserves. Start fast with a variety of beautiful templates, design effortlessly with a no-code builder, and customize endlessly via HTML/CSS/JS features. Why choose Subily? It's the world's only subscription-first commerce platform, offering maximum flexibility and seamless mobile optimization. Don't let your subscription business hold you back. Switch to Subily today, and get 10 months for free. Claim your trial now and turn your vision into reality.